Balikan ko lang. Like, for example, si Ina, were you against that relationship? With
I wasn't
Jake?
against the relationship kasi hindi naman ako ang makakasama nila.
Right.
Ikaw naman yan. Anong karapatan ko maging against their relationship? Di ba? I'm no saint. So, alam ko yung kontra din yung nanay ko o kontra din yung tatay ko, di ba? So, I know how it feels for them. My point at that time was, let's do it right. Let's do it right. It was very tumultuous for a while until things just fell in their places. Okay na. Okay naman pala.
Ganda. Oo,
Diba?
meron talaga.
Oo.
Maantayin mo lang. You have to wait.
And then, when things are okay, that's when you say, oh, di ba okay naman?
Correct. Oo. No, ang ibig kong sabihin nun sa pag-aantay, minsan, pinipilit natin as parents,
Yes.
but you wait for the right time, and that's God's time.
Exactly.
Diba?
Kasi, pag parents tayo, di ba, feeling ko, kaya rin siguro tayo nagiging ganyan. We're always worried about ano yung sasabihin nila.
You're coming from that
Anong
space.
sasabihin ng kapitbahay? Anong klaseng nanay ito? Whether we like it or not, we think that way.
Ayokong pagdaanan ng pinagdaanan ko. Ayokong
Yan.
mahirapan ng
Ayokong
aking...
sabihin nila na ganito.
Right.
Then after a while, buhay ko to eh.
Tama.
Buhay namin to. Pakialam nila.
Moira ba has gotten married?
Moira is getting married next year.
Ay, she is.
Yes, she
But
is
she's engaged
about to.
na.
Engaged na.
How nice.
Oo.
What about Danielle and Kyla? Are they as open to you? Patawa, DJ, ha? Kung nanonood ka, ako'y nabigla.
I am just happy that Kyla is happy. Yun lang. Para sa isang parent, ang gusto mo lang maging masaya
Lahat.
sila.
Oo. Lahat.
Diba? When you see that your child is happy, anong karapatan mong makialam at gumitna doon sa happiness?
Right.
Basta happy ka, yun lang ang gusto ko.
And she's a very good actor.
Oh, thank you.
She is. Oo, napakahusay.
Thank you. And I always tell my children kasi, since gusto niyo yung relationship na yan, there will always be misgivings coming from me. Kasi ang gusto mo lang naman as a parent, hindi sila masaktan, di ba? Yun lang yun. Huwag masaktan. Huwag
Oo,
mahirapan.
Tama. At saka may sinabi kanina, I'm no saint, you know.
I'm no
Marami
saint.
akong pinagdaanan. Pumapasok ba doon ang elemento na sa lahat ng pinagdaanan ko, ayoko kayong masaktan katulad ng sakit na pinagdaanan.
Of course.
Di ba? Pumapasok yun.
Of course. Pero, again,
I will not impose.
I will not impose. And because, naging rebelde din ako in a way. And I've always asked my parents to trust me. So, nagre-ring yun sa ulo ko every time na naiinis ako or parang, tama ba to? Nagre-ring yun. Lagi ko naiisip yun, huy, Janice, di ba sinasabi mo rin yan dati pagkatiwalaan ka? So,
Oo.
I have to trust my children
Right.
na kaya nilang panindigan, and whatever happens, they'll come out of it okay.
When one of your kids gets involved in a controversy, katulad ni Ina, itong ki Ina at saka, you know, the internet star,
Yes.
Rosmar, you know, got into a controversy. Do they go to you? Did you get involved? I mean, do you give them advice?
I cannot not get involved. I'm a mom, you know. I called her. I immediately told her what was wrong. Tapos, quiet na ako. Tapos,
Okay.
quiet na ako. Basta nasabi ko na, quiet na ako. Kasi I have to leave you to think about it eh. Ikaw na yan. I told you what was wrong. Ikaw na yan.
Okay.
Ikaw na yan.
I get it. Ngayon
And when we saw each other, after that, after ko siyang sinabihan, I never said anything. Did not talk to her about the issue. Nothing.
Nasabi mo.
Nothing. And when it was over, recently lang, sabi ko sa kanya, since tapos na, pwede ba? Please, ingat din.
Okay. Tama naman.
Di ba?
Oo.
Hindi na ako yung nagbibigay ng mahabang sermon.
Tama.
Maikli na lang.
Saka chill ka na ngayon.